In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit trail to verify when a contract was signed and protect yourself if there is ever a dispute. The audit trail is one of the most important features to understand when you're working with signed documents. If someone ever questions whether a contract was opened, viewed, or signed at a certain time, this is the record you can rely on. It creates a clear history of activity connected to the document, which makes it incredibly useful for documentation, compliance, and legal protection. To begin, open the document you want to review. You'll want to go to any document that has already been marked as completed. This is important because the completed version contains the finalized activity history, including the signing details. Once you're inside the completed document, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct file before moving on. Next, look for the Audit Trail tab or icon and click on it. Depending on the layout of your screen, this may appear as a tab, a menu option, or a small icon within the document view. The purpose is the same. It opens the document's full recorded history. If you're ever trying to confirm exactly what happened during the signing process, this is where you need to be. Once the audit trail is open, you'll see a timestamped list of actions tied to that document. This record shows key events in order, such as when the email was opened, when the document itself was viewed, and exactly when the client signed. It also includes the IP address associated with the signature, which can be especially important if you need to validate where the signing activity came from. As you review this information, pay close attention to the sequence of events. The timestamps help establish a clear timeline, and that timeline is what makes the audit trail so valuable. Instead of relying on memory or informal communication, you have a documented chain of activity that supports the signing record. This is especially useful in situations where timing matters, such as contract disputes, approval delays, or questions about whether someone had access to the document before signing. By checking the audit trail, you can quickly confirm the facts directly from the system. That's all it takes to review the audit trail. Open any completed document, click the audit trail, and review the timestamped activity log for the full record of what happened and when.